Namaste students. Hope you are healthy and happy at your home and completing your work on time and enjoying your studies. Dear students, we have completed our block 1 and 2 and today we are going to start our block 10, Diet and Health. This is the first video of this chapter. In this video, student will be able to understand the causes and the effects of malnutrition and obesity. So first of all, we should understand what is diet. Diet is the food taken by us in our daily meals. So dear students, what kind of food you take in your daily meal? We take bread, chapati, rice, milk, vegetables, eggs, fishes, butters, fruits, etc. in our daily meal. So dear students, we have basically categorized these food into 5 different kinds on the basis of their nutritional value. First is carbohydrate. Wheat, rice, maize kind of foods are included in this category. The second is protein, that is the bodybuilding food like egg, fish, meat, milk, these comes under protein. Fats, in fat, butter, cheese, oil, these comes under fats. Fruits, vegetables and milk comes under minerals and vitamins. So we should take all these different kinds of food in our daily meal. So dear students, let's understand what is balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A diet that contains all the nutrients that the body needs in right amount is called a balanced diet. So all nutrients means carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals and vitamins. So it is very important to eat a balanced diet to keep a person healthy. So what if we will not eat food in a proper manner? So let's see. So dear students, what can happen if we do not eat the right amount of food? So first have a look on these two pictures and try to think what is happening in these two pictures. In the first picture, the child is eating lots of junk food and as a result of that, the child become obese. In the second picture, the child is not getting enough food and because of that the child is suffering from malnutrition. So let's try to understand what is obesity and what is malnutrition. So first, obesity. If a child or a person eats too many carbohydrate or fats, then that gets stored in the body and eventually that person will become overweight or obese. Because of that, that person will become physically inactive. In case of malnutrition, the child does not get enough food to eat or does not eat the right kind of food. Because of that, the child becomes weak and it affects its growth. And also the child starts suffering from various kinds of diseases. Malnutrition causes due to lack of carbohydrate and protein in the diet, affects body become weak, get tired easily, fall sick, no fats in the body. Cure is eating right amount or right kind of food rich in carbohydrate and proteins. Then obesity is caused due to Eating too much of carbohydrates and fats in the diet affects our body, become overweighted, inactive, fall sick, and cure is eating a low fat and carbohydrate diet or doing regular exercises. So dear students, you can actually think over it and try to understand that why your parents always tell you or ask you to eat lots of fresh fruits, green vegetables and milk to actually keep you healthy and happy. So next, so dear students, let's have a look on these three pictures. You can see here that the persons are suffering from some kind of diseases. That in first picture there is bleeding gums. In the second picture there is bowed leg. That means the leg is bended. And the third picture you can see the child is having a potted belly. So what are the reason behind these kind of diseases? So we'll understand. These kind of diseases are caused due to the lack of particular nutrients in our diet, and such diseases are called as deficiency diseases. These are caused due to the deficiency of the following nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, vitamins and minerals. So dear students, we will try to understand the deficiency disease in our next video. Let's have a recap of this video. So we have understand what is diet, what is a balanced diet, the causes, effects and cure of malnutrition and obesity, and causes of deficiency disease. Now it's a quiz time. There is short quiz. Please try to do at your home. So first question is, what will happen if you eat large amount of junk foods? Second, can malnutrition and obesity occur in adults also? Third question is, what type of diet should be given to people suffering from malnutrition and obesity? So thank you dear students. Have a nice day.